Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 GT63 AMG. This one's a Mercedes black metallic. Underneath the hood is a 4-liter V8 twin turbo with 630 horsepower and 664 pounds of torque. This one comes with the AMG Dynamic Plus package with active engine mounts, yellow brake calipers, 20-inch AMG multi-spoke wheels with gray accents, V8 bi-turbo 4MATIC badging on the side, AMG Magma Gray Black Napa leather interior with a natural grain gray ash wood trim, sunroof, retractable rear wing, AMG GT63 badging, power liftgate, a clean set of all-season floor mats, blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated and cooled seats, AMG illuminated door sill, heated steering wheel, touchpad steering wheel controls, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, paddle shifters for extra performance, driver's assistance package, push start ignition, navigation, surround view backup camera with sensors, dual climate controls, USB ports, wireless charging, hard keys for the infotainment center, touchpad for our infotainment center as well, dynamic select for our different driving patterns, suspension adjustments, our button for our retractable ring, our exhaust. This GT has 11,430 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this AMG GT63, visit us at feldmanimports.com.